Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 digital coin microscopes. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, AliExpress EM4K-AF. Specifications. Brand name, AliExpress. Model number, EM4K-AF. Magnification ratio, 1500x to 3000x. Material, metal. Features, high definition, digital. Real angle of view, 178 degrees. Maximum magnification, 2000x. Voltage, 5 volts DC. Bracket size, 10-inch stand. Product number 4, RIEVBCAU 10.1-inch HDMI digital microscope. Specifications. Brand name, RIEVBCAU. Model number, DM12. Magnification ratio, 1500x to 3000x. Draw tube, monocular. Material, metal. Features, high definition, handheld, portable, digital. Product number 3, 0.7-inch digital microscope. Specifications. Brand name, RIEVBCAU. Model number, 7 Malawian kwachas. Power source, battery powered. Resolution range, 180 nm to 500 nm. Magnification ratio, 500x to 1500x. Draw tube, monocular. Material, plastic. Theory, video microscope. Features, high definition, handheld, portable, digital. Product number 2, HDMI 7-inch digital microscope. Specifications. Brand name, HDMI. Model number, DM9. Magnification ratio, 500x to 1500x. Draw tube, monocular. Material, aluminium alloy. Theory, video microscope. Features, high definition, handheld, portable, digital. Origin, China. Product number 1, digital microscope. Specifications. Brand name, Inscan. Model number, 307. Magnification ratio, 500x to 1500x. Draw tube, monocular. Material, plastic. Theory, biological microscope. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.